If you're trying to secure workloads in AWS, you might run up against AWS security groups and network access control list. And you might hear the terms stateful and stateless. What does that actually mean? So for a stateful connection, let's say you're using an AWS security group, right? And you want to allow HTTPS in or 443 into your web server. You would create a security group that would allow that communication to occur from a source and a destination inbound in that direction. So the state would be that inbound connection would be allowed, and the return traffic, because AWS Security Group is stateful, you don't need to explicitly create a rule to support the outbound traffic back from the destination out to the source. Now, on the other hand, a network access control list, that is stateless. That's just a fancy way to say if you wanted to create the same level of access only using network access control list, you would have to define that inbound connection from the source and the destination, as well as the return traffic back outbound. So that's going to be two different entries in that network access control list because it's stateless. You got to define both ways. So the security group is easier because you can define it in one direction and the return traffic is automatically allowed. Where the network access control list comes in handy really is that you can explicitly deny traffic. Why would you want to do that? There may be certain IP address ranges that you do not want to communicate with, could be bots and all these other nefarious things. That's where the network access control lists come in handy.